Hello traders, we're here to explain how simplest and fast it is to change time frames on the charts. Okay, so usually the most platforms have a button like this that you can, okay, I'm in a chart, I want to change from 1 to 5 minutes, doable, but you have to go there and click, right? This is just as any other platform how it works. The fast way that we have here on BlackArrow is just press the number. So okay, I'm in a 15-minute chart, I want to see a 1-minute chart, I press 1 and boom, I'm already there. Okay, if I want to see 30 minutes, two numbers, boom, you press D, daily chart. So that creates a very simple way to see charts, time frames on the chart. Okay, so these are the main ones, and weekly you can press W and you have a weekly chart, and 1 minute again, boom, 30 seconds, we do have 30 seconds as well, so you can see a 30-second chart. You can even see a 2-minute chart. You can have all time frames, 3 minutes chart. You can basically create indicators on time frames that nobody uses. Okay, so this is very uncommon in other platforms. They are kind of stuck in 1, 2, 5 minutes, and here we have all the flexibility to see a 40 minutes chart. Okay, and we go from there. Okay, thank you, until the next video.